play the lucky number wheel. You will all have a pen and a piece of paper. Everyone will get a turn to spin the wheel twice. When you have spun the wheel, you will add the 2 digits that you get. When you add those numbers, you will get your total number. The person with the highest number is the winner. You got that? So I'm going to spin the wheel. My first number is 432. 432 plus, I'm going to spin it again, 159 equals, I'm going to show you. There's my sum, 432 plus 159. Can you help me work that out? What's the rule? Start from the right, work to the left, regroup if necessary. 2 plus 9, 11. So I'm going to regroup. Can you help me work that out? Like that. Right, let's do the next one. 3 plus 5 plus 1. 9, very good. Do I need to regroup? No, I don't. Just like that. And my last one, 4 plus 1 equals 5. So my total score is 591. You will all have a turn to spin the wheel and see who gets the highest score. Good luck and enjoy.